Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy idol on Binance Alpha. As you know, idol just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you. First, you can open your Binance apps. Then you can go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search idol. And as you can see, there is idol on Alpha. You can click it, this one. Then this is the chart. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will see 24-hour volume, high and low. And if you want to see the audit, you can click audit here. And yeah, and if you want to buy it, you can simply click trade here in the bottom. And then you can choose the method. You can buy it using limit order or instant buy. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.